Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can program your Kwikset SmartCode 909 Deadbolt step by step in 2026. So first of all, what you're going to do is you need to simply remove the battery cover from the inside part of the lock. Now behind the cover, you will see this type of program button available along with the battery pack. So you just have to simply use this particular power button and press it once. After that, you need to go to the outside keypad and then you need to start entering your code that you want to set. Now, once you are done adding, you just have to simply press this particular lock button in order to save the changes. Now, when it is saved successfully, the keypad is going to basically flash green and you will also hear a lock beep. So after saving the code, you can just simply test it immediately while the door is still open. Now, if the keypad becomes unresponsive after doing this particular step, you can definitely go ahead and factory reset it. For that, you just have to first of all remove the battery pack, then simply press and hold this power button for at least 30 seconds until the lock beeps and the status light flashes red. Then you can simply press the program button once again in order to complete the reset. After your reset finishes, you can reprogram your user codes from the beginning. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.